How to join community in WhatsApp. Now, if you have been familiar with the WhatsApp application and then it has received a new update of the community, and then you decided you also want to be part of a certain group or a community on WhatsApp. For that, what we have to do is once we launch WhatsApp and log into our respective account, from the bottom right you can go to this option that says communities. Now when you go to communities, you'll find different communities right here, and you can also start your communities by tapping on start your community and creating your own community and inviting people to it by creating a topic based groups. If you want to see some of the example communities, you can tap on this option that are some of the example communities right here. Now what happens is, what if you want to join a certain community? Well, the only way you can join a certain community on WhatsApp is if you're invited to it and that you have the invitation link. So if somebody has sent you an invitation link to a certain community, only then you will be able to join that community. Otherwise, you cannot just access the community and then join that community without somebody's invitation or without someone adding you. I hope that this video have helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.